just something about it.
Pretty brown skin, body of a goddess, smelling so good, really my type. I've been searching around, but still ain't found real love.
I put up on that, I told her like that.
I got a couple girls I'm talking to, I'm trying to narrow down, hitting it from the hearing ocean sounds. Took the